Cancer is a disorder of cellular growth and division. Normally, our cells follow a strict set of rules. They grow, divide, and die in an orderly fashion. But cancer cells are rebels. They grow and divide uncontrollably. They refuse to die when they should. Imagine a bustling city where everyone follows traffic rules. Now picture a group of cars that refuse to stop at red lights. They speed through intersections, causing chaos. Cancer cells are like these rogue drivers. They disrupt the normal functioning of our body's cellular traffic. This disruption is what we call cancer. Cancer can occur almost anywhere in the human body. There are more than 200 types of cancer, yet all share this fundamental trait: unchecked cell growth. Every cancer begins with a change in a cell's DNA called a mutation. Mutations happen all the time in our bodies. Most are harmless. Our cells have mechanisms to repair DNA damage, but sometimes a mutation slips through. If this mutation affects genes that control cell growth, trouble begins. Think of a cell as a car. The DNA is like the car's computer. A mutation is like a glitch in the computer. Most glitches don't matter, but some glitches are serious. They might make the car accelerate uncontrollably. This is what happens in cancer. The mutated cell starts to divide rapidly and uncontrollably. Environmental factors can increase the risk of mutations. This is why we say cancer can be caused by both genetic and environmental factors. Once a cell becomes cancerous, it begins to divide rapidly. It produces more and more abnormal cells. These cells form a mass called a tumor. Not all tumors are cancerous. Benign tumors don't spread to other parts of the body. Malignant tumors, however, can invade nearby tissues. They can also break off and travel to distant parts of the body. The growth of cancer cells is relentless. Normal cells know when to stop dividing. Cancer cells ignore these signals. They keep dividing even when more cells aren't needed. As the tumor grows, it needs more and more resources. It needs oxygen and nutrients to fuel its rapid growth. To meet these needs, tumors stimulate the growth of new blood vessels. This process is called angiogenesis. These new blood vessels not only feed the tumor, but also provide a pathway for cancer cells to spread. This ability to colonize different parts of the body is what makes advanced cancer so difficult to treat. As tumors grow, they begin to interfere with normal bodily functions. The effects depend on where the tumor is located. A brain tumor might cause headaches or seizures. A lung tumor can make it hard to breathe. A tumor in the colon might cause changes in bowel habits. The tumor doesn't even have to be very large to cause problems. It's all about location. Tumors don't just take up space. They actively disrupt the tissues around them. They can compress blood vessels, cutting off blood supply to normal tissues. They can put pressure on nerves, causing pain. They can block ducts or passages in the body. A pancreatic tumor, for example, might block the bile duct, leading to jaundice. The presence of a tumor can also trigger responses from the body. The immune system may try to fight the tumor, leading to inflammation. Tumors also compete with normal cells for resources, consuming glucose and other nutrients at a high rate. This can lead to a condition called cancer cachexia, where the body wastes away. Metastasis is what makes cancer a systemic disease. It's no longer just a problem in one organ, it becomes a problem throughout the body. The process of metastasis is complex. It involves multiple steps. First, cancer cells must break away from the original tumor. Then they must enter the bloodstream or lymph system. They must survive this journey. Finally, they must establish themselves in a new location. Not all cancer cells that enter the bloodstream will form new tumors. Most die along the way, but some survive. These cells are tough and can adapt to new environments. Once they settle in a new organ, they start dividing again, forming new tumors called metastases. Metastasis makes cancer much harder to treat. This is why metastatic cancer is often considered incurable. Given the challenges of treating advanced cancer, early detection is crucial. The earlier cancer is caught, the better the chances of successful treatment. This is why screening programs are so important. Mammograms can detect breast cancer before a lump can be felt. Colonoscopies can find and remove precancerous polyps in the colon. Pap smears can detect cervical cancer in its earliest stages. But early detection isn't always easy. Many cancers don't cause symptoms in their early stages. By the time symptoms appear, the cancer may have already spread. This is why researchers are working on new ways to detect cancer early. Blood tests that can detect cancer DNA, imaging techniques that can spot tiny tumors. Prevention is even better than early detection. Certain lifestyle choices can reduce cancer risk. Not smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, and protecting your skin from the sun are crucial steps. Understanding cancer is the first step in fighting it.